Architects, we all make mistakes, but some can really cost you in the long run. Today, I'll show you 5 common architectural design mistakes that you should avoid at all costs. These tips will help you create flawless designs that will impress your clients and keep you ahead in the field. Stay tuned. This is essential knowledge for any architect. As an architect, your job is to bring creativity and functionality together in perfect harmony. But sometimes, even the most experienced designers can fall into traps. Let's take a look at the 5 most common architectural design mistakes and how you can avoid them. One of the biggest mistakes architects make is ignoring the site context. The environment around your building plays a crucial role in how it functions and feels. Whether it's the landscape, climate, or surrounding structures, failing to consider these factors can result in designs that feel disconnected or impractical. Next up, poor space planning. We've all seen floor plans where rooms are too small, too far apart, or just don't flow well. Efficient space planning is essential for creating functional buildings. Always think about how people will move through the space and how different areas interact with each other. Another common mistake is focusing too much on aesthetics and not enough on functionality. While your building should be beautiful, it also needs to be practical. Features like lighting, ventilation, and accessibility can't be an afterthought. Balancing both is key to a successful design. Designing for the future is crucial, yet many architects overlook this. Not accounting for future needs, like potential expansion or evolving technology, can make a building outdated before it's even finished. Always consider how your design will stand the test of time, both functionally and technologically. And finally, neglecting the budget and timeline can ruin a project before it even begins. You may have the best design ideas, but if they're not feasible within the project's constraints, they won't matter. Be realistic about what can be accomplished within the given budget and time frame, and communicate openly with clients about any limitations. To avoid these mistakes, start by thoroughly researching the site, creating functional and adaptable designs, and always keeping the user experience in mind. Collaborate with engineers, clients, and contractors to make sure your design is not only beautiful but also realistic and functional. Planning and clear communication are the foundation of a successful architectural project. Regular meetings with your clients and team will ensure that everyone is on the same page and that potential issues are addressed early in the process. If you want to dive deeper into architectural design and avoid common mistakes, I offer personalized consulting and training to help you refine your skills. Visit my website and feel free to reach out for one-on-one coaching. Let's work together to bring your design ideas to life without the costly mistakes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful architectural tips. Stay tuned for the next video. See you soon.